Hey, it's all here for Kid Ramos putting out another record. Pretty awesome, isn't it? I congratulate my friend for doing that. It's always a good thing. God knows I need to put out another record, but if people put them out, we're all happy because these are our buddies, and that's what makes the world go round. You play that? Who? Where's it? Hey, Junior Watson, you out there? You come up here and play with us.
Come up, play Walks and Train with us, brother.
Here it is. Got as many guitar players up here as John Fogerty. I was out on tour with John Fogerty for a while, and it was like 5 guitar players. People used to look at us and go, what? Really? 5 guitar players? You need 5 guitar players? I said, hey man, as long as I get paid, I'm happy to be here. Well, we have 5 guitar players, but he's got 2 necks, so that makes 6. All right, is that tuned to a different thing? What is that, a mandolin? Ready? A 1, 2, a 1, 2. Yeah. Take you hell that lonesome whistle blowing. Do you see a pipeline on the track? The train my gal is on is moving. She said she won't coming back. Did you see that dirty engine blowing? Yes, I feel the skies went cloud black. I knew my baby wasn't joking when she said she won't coming back. Well, on the train, that long train, took my baby rolling round the bend. Long train, yeah, long train. I can't wait to see her smiling face again. I sat down at the station, started crying. Yes, I watched that special pull away. Well, I knew my baby wasn't jumping when she said she's gone away to say, Junior! Took my baby rolling round the bend. Well, on some train, that long